Welcome to one of the coolest freaking tours I have ever done. You start at the bottom of the Hoover Dam and paddle 12 miles down the Colorado River, stopping at multiple spots along the way. This was the first stop and it was a hot spring. But it doesn't just stop there, as 2 more miles down is another hot spring and it's located in a slot canyon. It was so sick. Then you'll paddle 1 more mile and you'll see a cove full of bright emerald water. And then last but not least, you get to Emerald Cove. And this was probably my favorite part. It's like nothing I've ever seen before when kayaking. This tour is located 45 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip and is a must-do.